Okay guys, so here is the unboxing video of Samsung A7 2016 Gold Edition. So this is how you can see, this is Amazon, this is how Amazon has sent the product to me. Looks pretty okay, packaging looks okay. It is pretty tough, hard. So I'll be proceeding, this is the bill. So I'll be proceeding with unboxing this. Okay. So now I'll have to just cut the slice this thing over here. Transport if damaged. This is a new warning. I haven't seen it before. Might be possible that it might have missed my eyes. Anyways, this time I have seen it. I'll just proceed. Okay. So here it goes. And here it is. So this is Samsung Galaxy A7 6. Okay. So 30 GB data free when offer from Airtel. So this is Galaxy A7 616 GB Indian SIM card only. So this is what is written on it. The month and year of manufacture is July 2016. So in the product I have mobile phone travel adapter, stereo headset, data cable and ejection pin. So I'll just go ahead and okay, so guys, let's get back to the unboxing of this Samsung Galaxy A7 6. I was under the impression that this is 6 since 2016 is nowhere written, so I was just wondering whether this is right or not. But by comparing the features, I could tell you that this is the actual 2016 model. You can see the model number is written and the features 4G 64-bit octa-core processor. The A7 is quad-core processor, and another thing which I could find out was that this one has 3300 milliampere battery and that one has 2600 battery. So I just get down to opening this. Okay. So I would just take help of a simple blade. I think that will be much easier. Yes. So now we have now put kind of these things everywhere, so I'll have to just cut this out. I'll have to see. Okay, so I am cutting it now. Yep. So this is it, and now I'll just pull this thing out. This is for Indian SIM cards only. Read me. Okay, so this is the seal, and here. Okay. So now this is the phone. As you can see, this is the phone. This is slightly misplaced, and It has screen guard on both sides, looks good. And in the box we have a quick start guide and then there is a charger and a lead, power lead, and there is also a headphone. So we have this headphone and I believe this is a good one. I really like Samsung headphones. We have a micro SIM port converter, so this is the guide and this is the converter. Yeah, so quick start guide, nothing much in that. SIM card, memory card, and installing the card. So these are the products which are available inside the card, and there is also the charger outlet. So this is the unboxing, guys, and hopefully I'll come back with the review once I have used it for some time so I could be more specific on the performance. Thank you so much for watching this. Thanks.